What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today we'll be unboxing the Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z earphones. The cost of this earphone is 2000 rupees. So let's quickly unbox. On the front we have the branding of the Oneplus and the picture of the earphone itself. We have some other keys features, like with just 10 minutes of warp charge you will get 10 hours of battery life, which is very good. And also on the sides we have the Oneplus Z Bullets branding. So on the back we have some other key and important specifications like warp charge, like 10 minutes of charge and 10 hours of battery, a long battery life, that is 20 hours of battery life. We have magnetic control, so you can use this feature to play and pause music. They are waterproof, so exercise, shower, rain are good to go. We have quick switching between two devices and low latency mode if you are a PUBG fan. So without any further delay, let's grab a knife and slice through the box and get access to the earphone itself. So we'll quickly remove the cellophane from the box itself, and then we will remove the inner box where we have our earphone and other accessories located. So once we remove the box, we see the picture of the earphone itself, and this time the earphones are actually popping out. You can actually feel them when you touch it. So let's quickly keep this box aside and we will see what all other contents we have inside the box. We have another box that says user guide and accessories. So let's see what all the accessories we have inside. So the first thing we have is the small USB type C cable for actually charging the earphones, and we have the different type of ear tips because every ear is different in shape. Some are comfortable with small tips and some are comfortable with the bigger tips. So let's remove the earphone from the actual casing and turn them on and quickly connect it with our phone. So these are the actual buds. They are pretty much similar but different in shape, and they are magnetic, of course. Also have those rubber tips which you can change, that it is user replaceable. And let's quickly have an overview of the earphone. We have the branding of the Oneplus, the LED light, the Type-C charging cable, and also a button to quickly switch between devices and to turn them on and off. And also we have the battery on the other side of the earphone. We have the microphone, and just on the other side of this what we have is a button to play and pause music and to pick up and end calls. You can also use this to use Siri or Google Assistant depending upon the device, and also you have the volume rockers to increase and decrease the device volume. So let's quickly grab a phone and we will hop into the Bluetooth settings, and yes, this works with both iOS and Android. So we'll quickly pair. As you can see that the pairing process is really quick and easy. So this is how it is. I mean, the play and pause feature, of course, the magnetic play and pause feature won't work on Android. It will only work with OnePlus devices, but then again it's a very good option if you have a strict budget of 2000 rupees to buy earphone. This is not a review, this is just a usual unboxing, so you can check out YouTube for other reviews. This was just a quick unboxing. I will leave the link in the description below if you want to buy this earphones. So thank you for watching. This is Aftab signing off. Have a great day. Peace out.